Hi everyone, I'm Ashley and I'm one of the co-founders of BrandLink Media, a local marketing agency here designed to help businesses, small businesses in a variety of different industries with their marketing efforts. This isn't a marketing conversation though. I know that a lot of us are facing the reality of how do we continue to operate our business, when we're impacted in a great way by coronavirus and feeling sort of the economic losses of that. I wanted to jump on today to actually share with you a program that's been rolled out by the SBA, the Small Business Association, that's called the Economic Disaster Loan Relief Program. And I wanted to just give you the high points. There are lots of teleconferences and lots of webinars that are out there. You could also contact your local bank to get a little bit more information. But this loan program is actually funded directly through the Treasury, and there's an online application process that everyone must utilize. So it's not something that you would apply through your bank to receive these funds, but they're very advantageous. And so I just wanted to share the high points. First of all, basically all small businesses with less than 500 employees, with the exception of very few industries, are eligible to apply for loan consideration. The few exclusions relate to medical marijuana, relate to gambling and casino operations, some agricultural things. There's some hairier requirements for some nonprofits, but they may still be eligible. So definitely consult with your CPA or a lawyer to determine or your banker to determine if you might be eligible if you're a nonprofit. But basically, the SBA is providing small businesses that have felt economic impact, struggled with cash flow, had to lay off people, can't pay their vendors. All of those things are economic injury that small businesses are facing right now. And they will, if you become eligible, if you apply and you meet the eligibility requirements, extend a loan up to $2 million. It's got a 30-year term, a fixed interest rate of 3.75, no fees, no points, no prepayment penalty. It's very advantageous. In fact, you can defer principal and interest payments for a period of time, even like up to the entire first year. So there's lots of favorable terms. Many small businesses have a line of credit in place. If you're one of those and you're drawing on your line of credit, you can actually use SBA funds from this loan program to pay down that line of credit. What else do I want to share? You do have to be an existing business. This isn't for startups. You have to have been in business by February 1st to apply. That's one of the big components. And you will be asked to project what your economic injury is. And I know that's a hard question and it's hard to really understand like what impacts we're gonna face and for how long. But you will be asked that question. And I guess the best guidance is to be realistic and try to think about what impact you will face in the coming months and provide that cumulative number there. You will be asked to defend that projection, so don't be overzealous and just be realistic about what that projection looks like. Once you apply, which is the first step, then you will go through an underwriting process. They'll check your credit score through Experian, and they will also just want to look at your business, some financial statements that you'll provide, and a tax return. And they'll just want to be able to see that before coronavirus, you were able to pay your bills on time with the cash flow that your business was receiving at that time. So obviously the circumstances have changed, and that's what this relief loan program is for. So even if you apply, even if you are approved, you still have the option to take the funds or choose not to take them. And so it's worth applying even if you're not sure if you're going to need them 60, 90, 120 days from now. So I would definitely encourage everyone to apply, to have this as a resource. It's a very favorable loan program for small businesses. I think that's the high points. If you have any questions or anything else we can answer, feel free to DM us or comment or shoot us an email at hello@brandlinkmedia.com. Again, BrandLink is here to help you in any way, support our current clients or prospective clients with any creative, outside of the box thinking that we're all having to do as small business owners right now, and definitely with any marketing initiatives. I know that oftentimes we are so ingrained in working in our business and we're not really working on our business. So if BrandLink can support you during this time in any way, definitely reach out, but we'll continue to share up-to-date information that we get as far as relief efforts and valuable business advice that you can apply today. Thanks, everyone.